Trying to stay organized for tax time? This Tax Deductions Tracker Spreadsheet for Google Sheets and Excel helps you track income, expenses, mileage, work-from-home hours, and depreciating items, all in one organized system. In this video, I'll walk you through the Google Sheets version and show you how the template works. Start by setting up the tracker in the Settings tab. Enter your details including your name, tax file number, the starting year of your 5-year tracking period, and your preferred starting month. Use January for calendar year tracking or select any month for fiscal or financial year reporting. Next, choose your currency and mileage unit, kilometers or miles. Then enter your mileage reimbursement rates and work-from-home hourly rates for each year of the 5-year period. You can also customize your income sources, income categories, and expense categories to match your tax requirements. Only edit the fields highlighted in yellow. The gray rows are protected because they contain formulas and automations used throughout the tracker. Once complete, these settings automatically populate throughout the template. Next, record all income inside the Income tab. To add a record, simply enter the date, then choose an income category and the income source from the drop-down lists. Add a brief description or notes, then input the amount and any tax withheld. It has a built-in search tool which makes it easy to quickly locate records by year, category, or source without having to scroll through the full list, especially when managing large amounts of transactions over multiple years. The tracker automatically calculates totals based on your selections and highlights matching entries for easy reference. Use the Expenses tab to record all possible deductions throughout the year. To add a transaction, simply enter the date, select an expense category from the drop-down list, and tick the checkbox if you kept a receipt, invoice, or supporting document. Next, enter the payee or store name, add a short description or notes, then input the expense amount. If the expense was used partly for personal use and partly for work, enter the work use percentage, and the template will automatically calculate the deductible portion for you. If the work use percentage is left blank, the template will treat the expense as 100% work-related and fully deductible. Search tools are also included for quick record lookup. The mileage log helps you track work-related travel and vehicle usage throughout the year. To record a trip, simply enter the date, starting location and destination, then select the employer from the drop-down list. You can also add notes or the purpose of the trip, then enter the opening and closing odometer readings. The template automatically calculates the total distance traveled for each entry. Search tools are also included for quick record lookup. Use the timesheet to track deductible work-from-home hours throughout the year, perfect for remote workers, hybrid employees, and professionals claiming home office deductions. To record work hours, simply enter the date, and the day will automatically populate for you. Then add your time in and time out details, and select the employer from the drop-down menu. You can also include notes or a brief work description for each entry. Total hours will be automatically calculated for you. If you took unpaid breaks, simply enter the total break-in hours and the template will automatically calculate your net work hours for the day. Search tools are also included for quick record lookup. Once your records are entered, everything automatically flows into the interactive dashboard. Instantly view income totals, deductible expenses, mileage records, work-from-home hours, and depreciation-related items all in one place. The dashboard automatically updates based on your selected year, making it easy to review data across calendar years, financial years, or fiscal years depending on your setup. As you continue entering records into the trackers, charts, summaries, and totals update automatically in real time. When you're ready, generate reports instantly with just one click. In the Google Sheets version, the template automatically opens a report preview and saves the generated report directly to your Google Drive for easy access and storage. The Excel version can also generate and save reports directly to your Downloads folder, making it quick and convenient to review, print, or share your records. If you're looking for a simple and professional way to organize tax deductions, income, mileage, work from home hours, and expenses all year long, this template is designed to save time and keep everything in one place. Your purchase includes both Google Sheets and Excel versions of the template. This demo showcases the Google Sheets version, which is recommended for the best overall experience. This is a one-time purchase, and you will receive the current version available at the time of purchase. Future updates or upgrades are not included. Check the link in the description to get your copy of the template and start tracking everything in one organized system today.